Hey, happy Monday. This is Jason over Mono Mortgage. Just giving you a quick market update. Wanted to first start with where we're at right now for mortgage-backed securities. Looks like we are up about 8 basis points, which isn't groundbreaking, but I'll take it after the week we had last week. Rates took quite a pummeling, and hopefully we're looking to reverse the trend. As far as things that are on the docket for this week, in about 15 minutes, we're going to have a 10-year bond auction, and the outcome of that and the appetite for that could be pretty important to swing rates one way or the other. If you take a look here, we've been on this trend for a while, but if you look since about August 15th and you see this trend line and this ceiling of resistance, we've been flirting with this a while, but if we can break this downward trend with some positive results from that bond auction, that can be a real big help. While conversely, if there's not a lot of investor demand for the bonds in this 10-year auction, we may see prices deteriorate a little further. It's hard to say, but definitely something we're going to be keeping an eye on. I'll keep everybody updated. Also, tomorrow we're going to have CPI for August, which is a consumer price index, which will give us a better idea where the overall economy is looking and where inflation is really sitting. There's an expectation that we're going to have some decent data out of this, and that knowledge to the market that maybe inflation is calming down even a little tiny bit would definitely help to send rates in a better direction as well. So we'll just have to see where it goes. It's already been kind of leaked that the Fed is expected on September 21st to hike another 75 basis points, which I think is good. I think it's what the market wants to see, to hear that the Fed is still serious about dealing with inflation and they're not taking their foot off the gas pedal. So hopefully that'll be a big help in terms of where rates are at. You're conforming 30-year fix, probably anywhere from high fives going up through the highs, through the mid sixes is about the average. Again, as a broker, we have multiple lenders we work with, so this is kind of the span of rates we're seeing from the high fives all the way through the low to mid sixes. Government rates, USDA, VA, FHA, we're going to see those as low as some of the high fives. I'm sorry, high fours, all the way through to low to mid fives on your FHA, depending on the lender, credit score, stuff like that. Again, this is just a range. I'm not quoting rates, but this is roundabout where the market's at. That's about it. We're going to keep an eye on this bond auction. We're going to keep an eye on the CPI, and we'll go from there. If you ever need anything from me, feel free to reach out. Have a great week.